Right, so today we're going to change a starter motor on this 2007 Citroen Relay, and you'll listen to our first start and you'll know why we've got to change it.
The lights look like they're flashing on the dashboard on the camera, but they're not really. A bit of diesel smoke when we didn't start. But that is why we need to change the starter motor on this van. Right, here is the starter motor we're going to change on our van for. This one's a Bosch one, and the one on the van is a bit of a cheap one that got us out of a fix a little while ago. We're going to swap it for a decent quality Bosch one. First thing we need to do is to disconnect the battery. You can do anything electrical, and obviously we need to disconnect the battery, which is under the floor here. So you just need to twist these knobs and then pull up here, and then the battery's under there. Right, once you've taken the floor up, which is over there, you've got a metal cover which you can lift off. Then you just need to disconnect the battery. There's a little cover here. You just need to get to this little nut here, just loosen it off, and just pull that off, and then that's disconnected. Then we can get on with underneath the van. Right, now I'm going to show you where the starter motor is. Here's underneath the van, and there are a couple of small oil leaks which I'm going to sort out after this. After doing the starter motor, bearing in mind this van's done about 500,000 miles, believe it or not. Here's the starter motor. So look above here. You've got the part here. There's two bolts to the starter motor. There's one there, and there's the same above it as well. Very difficult to see. And there's also the electrical connections. You can just see them on there, so you'll have to take those off as well. But that is all you have to undo. But to get to these, you've got these coolant pipes here in the way. So there's one 13mm bolt in here. If you unscrew that, these will pull out the way, and you can get your hands up behind it, and it makes it much easier for getting the starter motor out of that little gap once you've undone the electrical connectors and these two bolts here. It's very, very tight to get the camera in there, so I'll take those out, and I'll show you what the old one looks like compared to the new one. Right, so there's that nut off, and we can pull these pipes out of the way, so we can get our hands up behind here and get onto the nuts on the actual starter motor. So these are the pipes we've just moved. These are all 13mm, by the way. It's not going to loosen off. Just get the little extension bar to get the one behind the starter. Great deal of room, but once you wiggle your socket in there, you can get it. I think what I'm going to do is get a longer 13 socket on there, because there is a bit of a thread sticking out, so just a second. Go. Nice and easy, not too hard to get off. Sometimes you can see what you want to do. You can't get your hands in there to do it. Just get that off out of the way. There's the bolt for the top one out. See, that was what I had to try and get over that thread, so I had to get the longer socket on there. I've left the other bolt in for now because I want to get the electrical connections off before I finally move all of the starter motor out of the way, because sometimes you have to get some purchase on it. So I'm going to move you out of the way so I can get to it. Right, what I thought I'd do is show you sort of how the starter motor is sat in the van. So you can see what I'm going to be doing, because you're not going to get the camera in there to get to the electrical connectors, so you can see. So at the moment it's on the van like that. This was the top bolt which was through there, and this one I've left in sort of loose at the moment, so that's how it is on the van. And you just need a small, this is a 10mm on this, so it's got a small cable on there. Then you've got your big power cable on here, which is a 13. So loosen those two off and just slip the cables off, and then just take that last bolt out, and then you should be able to take the starter out, and then try and do everything in reverse. So I thought I'd show you while this is all nice and clean, and show you what it's what we need to be doing when we're up inside there squeezing your hands in. Right, so there we go. There's the old one. It's not that old actually. It's probably only 6 months old. And there's our new one. But they're different brands. I'm hoping that the Bosch one will be a bit more substantial and last a bit longer. I guess the only difference I can see really is this wire is small. That one's got a big one on there. But I guess it's inside components really, hopefully. So we'll see how they go. Right, the starter motor's back on. So all we need to do now is just reconnect the battery and see if she starts. So battery connection back on, and then give her up nice and tight. That way.
on, battery's connected, let's see if she starts.